Imagine this, a major construction project, carefully planned down to the smallest detail. But suddenly, a massive problem arises. Concrete needs to be transported, but the manual process is slow, labor-intensive, and wasteful. This is exactly what happened to a contractor who needed to pour the foundation for a new commercial building. The options? Spend half a day and 4 workers transporting each load of concrete with wheelbarrows, delay the project and lose money with an idle workforce, or find a faster, more efficient solution. That's where we came in. With our concrete line pump, we delivered the concrete exactly where it was needed, without waste, without hassle, and most importantly, without delays. The result? The project was completed faster, at a lower cost, and with zero waste. And the best part? Anyone who needs concrete can benefit from this technology. Contractors, builders, and even homeowners working on renovations. Behind this innovative solution is a company specializing in concrete pumping with over 5 years of experience in the construction industry. We know that time is money, and any delay in a construction project can mean financial loss. That's why, for over 5 years, we've been helping contractors, construction companies, and even individual homeowners complete their projects faster, more efficiently, and without waste. With a highly trained team and modern equipment, we can pump concrete anywhere, eliminating manual labor and speeding up the construction process. If you need concrete in hard-to-reach areas, we guarantee the job will be done with precision and zero waste. It all started with a simple question: how can we make working with concrete more efficient, faster, and waste-free? The construction industry has always faced a big challenge: wasting time and materials when manually transporting concrete to difficult locations. Our company was born out of the desire to change this reality. We realized that with concrete line pump, we could cut costs, increase productivity, and completely eliminate waste. The impact was immediate. Projects that previously took hours to pour concrete were now completed in minutes. Contractors who once needed large teams now saved money with a much more optimized process. Today, with over 5 years of experience, we help builders, contractors, and anyone needing concrete complete their projects with speed, efficiency, and total material control. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our clients have to say. Jack, one of our satisfied customers, shared his experience.
I highly recommend this company's services. They did an amazing job with great quality. You can tell they truly love what they do, and that's why the results are incredible. Thank you, Agadir Concrete Pump, for making my home project so much easier.
When it comes to transporting concrete on a construction site, efficiency is key. Choosing the right method can make the difference between a fast, cost-effective project and one that suffers from delays, high labor expenses, and wasted materials. Let's break it down. A standard concrete truck carries 10 yards of concrete. Now, let's compare how long it takes and what it costs to move that same amount using 2 different methods: manual wheelbarrow transport versus the concrete line pump. Manual wheelbarrow transport, the traditional way. Using wheelbarrows to move concrete manually is a common practice, but it comes with significant drawbacks. On average, it takes a team of 4 workers about 1 full hour to move 10 yards of concrete from the truck to the application site. During this process, there is a high risk of material loss, as some concrete spills or is wasted due to tipping or inefficient handling. This means extra costs for additional concrete that may be needed to compensate for these losses. Additionally, the physical strain on workers is intense, leading to fatigue, slower work, and even potential injuries over the course of a long project. Concrete line pump, the faster, more efficient solution. Now let's look at the difference when using a concrete line pump. Instead of relying on manual labor, this advanced pumping system delivers concrete directly to the target location through a high-pressure hose. The entire process that takes an hour with wheelbarrows, the concrete line pump completes it in just 15 to 20 minutes. That means a full truckload is poured and ready to go in 1/4 of the time, without requiring a team of 4 workers to handle the heavy lifting. Even more important, this method ensures zero material waste. The pump delivers concrete precisely where it needs to go, eliminating spills and unnecessary loss. Any leftover material in the system can be efficiently collected and reused, ensuring that every drop of concrete you pay for is used in the project. Time and cost efficiency breakdown. For a clearer comparison, let's look at the numbers. Manual transport, wheelbarrow, O time per truckload. 1 hour O, labor required. 4 workers O efficiency, low with high material waste. Concrete line pump, O time per truckload, 15 to 20 minutes. O labor required, minimal 1 operator. O efficiency, high with 0 material waste. Now, imagine scaling this across multiple truckloads. For a project requiring 4 full truckloads of concrete, the manual method would take nearly half a day to complete, while the concrete line pump would finish the job in just about an hour. This means that the concrete line pump is 75% more efficient than the traditional manual method, allowing projects to be completed faster with lower labor costs and no wasted material. The smart choice for construction projects. When time, budget, and material efficiency matter, the concrete line pump is the clear choice. It streamlines the concrete pouring process, allowing construction teams to work smarter, not harder, while ensuring higher quality results with 0 waste. Why settle for an outdated method that costs more in time and resources when you can use a faster, cleaner, and more effective solution? Another key advantage of the concrete line pump is that it completely eliminates concrete waste. If done manually, there is material loss due to spills and tipping during transportation. Our method includes a recovery system using wheelbarrows and trays, ensuring that even leftover material from the machine is utilized. This means that every drop of concrete you pay for is used in your project. Let's see how this translates into real results. For a project requiring 4 truckloads of concrete, with wheelbarrows, manual method, it would take half a day and 4 workers. With concrete line pump, the job is done in just 1 hour. Our method is 75% more efficient than the manual process, freeing up your team to focus on other important tasks on site. 0 concrete waste, every drop is fully utilized. Much faster than the manual method, completes the job in 15 to 20 minutes per truckload. Better material control and operational efficiency prevents waste and reduces labor costs. If your company is looking for efficiency, cost savings, and faster project delivery, the concrete line pump is the best solution. Now that you've seen how the concrete line pump can transform your project, it's time for you to make the smart choice. Click the button below and request a free quote. Don't waste time and money on outdated methods. Choose the technology that guarantees 0 waste, maximum efficiency, and rapid execution.